Do you need to replace the Palmrest Touchpad assembly on your Dell Precision 7670? Well, I'm going to show you how. You can also click on the top right of the screen to find this part, or tools, or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. The first thing you'll do is loosen the captive screws on the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to pry apart and separate the bottom base cover. Now before going any further, I recommend disconnecting your battery to prevent any harmful static discharge. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Next, unscrew and remove the battery. Next, slide the release latch to unlock the SSD. Now unscrew and remove the primary solid-state drive. Now lift out the SSD frame. Then unscrew and remove the secondary solid-state drive. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket and then disconnect the antenna cables. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the power button cable. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the SD card reader. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the daughter board cable. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the smart card reader cable. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the LED board cable. Then unclip the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard cable. Next, unclip the locking tab to disconnect the touchpad cable. Then disconnect and remove the speakers. Now unscrew and remove the two brackets to disconnect the wireless wide area network antennas. Then remove the protective shield, then slide out the wireless wide area network card. Then disconnect the DC power adapter cable. Now unscrew the LCD bracket and then disconnect the LCD cable. Then unclip the locking tab to disconnect the LCD cable. Then unscrew and remove the inner frame. Now unscrew and remove the SD card reader. Next, remove the cooling fan screws. Then unscrew and remove the PCB beam connectors. Next, unscrew and remove the motherboard. Next, unscrew and remove the smart card reader. Then unscrew and remove the power button board. Now unscrew and remove the power button. Now unscrew and remove the GPU card. Now unscrew and remove the bracket and DC jack charging port. Then unscrew the left and right hinges, then separate the palm rest from the display assembly and disconnect them. Next, unscrew and remove the keyboard assembly. The remaining piece is the Palmrest Touchpad assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.